restrictions. That's completely understandable. As if you have seen, China has taken some decisions about wildlife trade within China. And that is the sovereignty, the sovereign decision of the country. Even if they are a CITES party, they can take that sovereign decision to regulate better the domestic trade or stop trade in certain animals if they so choose. These are called stricter domestic measures under CITES, and that's perfectly allowed by countries to do. But again, at the international level, no decision has been taken about stopping wildlife trade, just a regulation. At the end of the day, really the problem is the unregulated trade. As it is unregulated, then you can't ensure that those health and safety regulations are in place. The other issue is working with local communities, showing that legal trade has been beneficial to the conservation of the species in the wild. We have many examples of animals that were on the brink of extinction but have been brought back because local communities and those living side by side with these species have been able to understand that by protecting them, by conserving them, they can have a benefit, they can have a livelihood.
What is the situation in China in terms of wildlife trade?
It is a destination country both for legal and illegal trade, unfortunately. It's not known as a transit country. The transit countries are more in Southeast Asia. Laos, Vietnam being more the transit countries going towards China. In terms of legal trade, it has a huge role with timber as an importer and those countries that are providers like many countries in Africa and Asia that produce timber. And you have associations that are trying to ensure that this is maintained, that it's legal, to ensure that there's regulations put in place. And China has shown interest working with us and with the Food and Agriculture Organization on putting strong regulations and assisting with this type of trade in timber to make sure that it's legal. Unfortunately, we pay a lot of attention to what's happening illegally. The one that's in the news and that the